Good day everyone. So in this video, I'm gonna share you how you can fix this issue when you do the video editing, particularly in this CapCut PC. For example, I'm right now plugged in the headphone and gonna do the editing for this video. However, I cannot hear anything from this clip or this video, and turns out the sound of this video or this clip is just came out from my speaker, not from my headphone. How to solve this one? So you can go to this menu and then go to the setting and go to the performance until you find this sound output device. So you can check it out, and this is what we have that you can change it, let's say, to be the headphone, since I'm using the headphone now, and then you can click the save. And now you can simply play it, and let's hear that this sound is already audible. So that was the first thing that you can try. That is, go to the menu, go to the setting, and then check the performance and particularly the sound output device. You can select the options, whether that should be the headphone or the speakers. And also the another basic that you can try is always do the restart when you find this issue or this trouble. Let's say go out from this CapCut and then access it or open it again, and then you can simply try it if the audio is now audible, guys. And always don't forget to check your audio here, like the volume and also the setting for this one, whether that should be the output device like from headphone or speakers. And also you can adjust the volume mixer over here in case that the CapCut is not audible, even though the volume over here is already put it maximized, so you will not hear anything from this CapCut. So make sure the volume from this CapCut is already activated. So I hope this video and this tips and trick find you helpful. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment section because we'd love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.